Fartcoin is looking so bullish in 2025. Can Fartcoin make it to $10 per coin? I'm expecting a massive bull run on Fartcoin, and in today's video, I'll be giving you my full price breakdown, my full price prediction of where Fartcoin will go during this crypto bull run. If you enjoy the video, smash the like and subscribe. Let's first begin on a long-term chart on Fartcoin and then zoom in and actually find where some great short-term entries can be right now, because I'm expecting Fartcoin to make a major bullish price increase. We can actually see, looks like Fartcoin has already made an initial 3-wave push to the upside. We can see an initial 1-wave, 3-wave, and this final 5th wave to the upside. But that's the first wave within another major 5-wave push. And right now, we're actually setting up for a huge bullish run on Fartcoin. When we do scroll in, we can see, based on a lot of news that's been coming out, Iran and all this type of war news has been coming out, we have had a bit of a price decline. When we actually come over and use the Fibonacci retracement tool, I'm going to go from this bottom here at around a 200 million market cap and actually extend it across, bring it out into the right, and see where was price actually having a strong supportive structure right here at the 50% Fibonacci retracement. You would know that that is one of my favorite buying zones for a long-term bull trend. And most importantly, Fartcoin, I was actually saying back here early on when it was at this 200 to 400 million market cap that we're going to have a massive bull run. If you actually listen to what I was saying, it's made basically more than an 800% gain to the upside in that short amount of time. Right now, it looks like that Fartcoin is actually making a supportive structure, but I'm expecting a 1-2 pattern to the downside, an A, B, C pattern. Where do I expect price to actually come to? Solpot is the ultimate Solana cash, featuring prizes, coin flip battles, and a daily free Solana case that you can open, flip your soul against other players, and climb Solpot's $250,000 monthly leaderboard. Use my code John to support the channel and unlock your free Solana case. Use the link in the video description. Let's jump back into the action. Right now, anywhere between the 0.5 to 618 level is a strong buying zone for Fartcoin for this long-term trend, especially because when we see here, when Fartcoin begins to solidly trend, it actually uses this exponential moving average line to follow it like a long-term trend to the upside. We use it like a supportive structure. Every time we come back to the EMA or even go slightly below, it actually gives us a strong buying opportunity. Now, what we're waiting for is that small decline into that supportive structure between the 0.5 to 618, then getting another major push to the upside. But where can we expect price for Fartcoin to actually go? Now we'll use our next tool in this analysis, come over and use the trend-based Fibonacci extension. The reason we use this is because it can give us some price extensions into the future based on price movements that have happened in the past. So we can use this last major price increase that where we capped out at around that 3 billion market cap, roughly 300% from current price. We're going to use that, extend it down to this low where at around 200 million, and then the Fibonacci trend-based extension will actually give us some extension numbers. So we'll begin down at the bottom, get as close as we can to 0 right there. Now extend it all the way up to around that 3 billion market cap. Now extend it down to this bottom section, extend it out a little bit across. Now we'll actually scroll out, and what we're looking for is our first level being the 1618. This is actually a strong confluence level because look at where it lines up. This 1618 actually lines up with a $5 billion market cap. So we do have confluence because the 1618 lines up at 5 billion, and you would know from Memecoin trading that these high market cap levels like 5 billion, 10 billion will act as resistive structures. Even if it's just a short-term resistance, this would be a great level to look for at least a short-term exit, and that would be roughly 500% gain from current price. So still gives us a really strong long-term play. And if you did watch my last video, I've really been showing that these stronger large market cap coins still have a lot of potential. Then again, we've got a little bit of confluence because the 2618, where does that line up with? 7.5 billion. Another sort of not exact round number, but you would know 2.5 million, 5 million, 7.5, 10 billion, those type of numbers act as supportive or resistive structures. Then we've got the 3618, which is what I'm expecting to act as the total long-term resistance. That would give us 1,000% gain. That would push the Fartcoin to a $10 price. And we've got the 3618, and we've got that double confluence again because it lines up exactly with the $10 billion market cap. Now, Fartcoin is still one of the strongest meme coins. So we can come over to coin market cap, even come over to this category section. Here we can see memes. So the third biggest category right now that's trending. Now we can scroll down and see what are the biggest meme coins right now. Fartcoin being the 65 biggest coin in the entire crypto market cap, but actually one of the largest meme coins. Basically, what's that? 3, 6, the 7th largest meme coin out of every meme coin. So it has a lot of attention, but also you would know with these larger market cap coins, they're actually still giving us a lot of potential because they have a strong narrative. They have a strong mind share already in this market. And see already at a 1.9 billion market cap, even total 45% volume to market cap in one day. So it's a very highly traded coin. Clearly there's a lot of potential around that $10 mark for Fartcoin. And as I said, right now in the short term, we are looking for a small short-term decline. Even getting in anywhere close to that 50% structure is always a great level, like we can see here. But I am expecting a bit of an ABC where we do get one initial push to the downside, then we get a push to the upside, but we make that lower high like we've done here. And then what we'll do is we'll just sweep just below this low one more time. A lot of people potentially actually have their stop level right here for short-term trading. So what we'll do is we'll come below this price. A lot of these stops will get hit. We actually also have that confluence of the 618. It also lines up with the 750 million market cap, which is very important. Even here, the 0.5 or the 50% retracement level nearly perfectly lining up with the 1 billion market cap level. And that's why these confluence levels are very important, because you can see the confluence between the Fibonacci retracement, the 50%, lining up very close to the 1 billion market cap, and also that exact 1 billion market cap as well. So using all of these indicators together, my 20 exponential moving average, my Fibonacci retracement tool, my Fibonacci extension tool, and overall just understanding the long-term bull trend and 4-year cycles for Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, and especially for meme coins, because that's the most trending right now. I am using TradeWiz for trading. You can see this extension is available right here. It's all linked within Telegram. And actually, I can instantly enter into any of these meme coins on platforms like Axiom, Dex Screener, and everything else. It's actually faster than Axiom, BullX, Photon, and it can overlay on top of all of these platforms, because clearly Axiom is great for charting, but TradeWiz is faster than all of them, and obviously saving money because we're trading faster is making money in the long term. So make sure to check out the link in the video description, because you actually get a huge discount on all of your trading fees and free access to some of the fastest and best features in meme coin trading. If you have enjoyed today's video on Fartcoin, my full price prediction, make sure to smash the like and subscribe. See you in the next one.